Hi, it's Tilly, and today we're talking about how I turned an IKEA table into a full sewing workshop. I'm really excited to share my small space solution for a cutting, sewing, and ironing table all rolled into one. My apartment is fairly small, and I was previously cutting on cardboard to try and make sure my fabric was square. It definitely worked, but I wanted to upgrade my sewing space to be a lot more functional. My wish list included a table that was small space friendly, additional storage, space for both my sewing and serger machines, a cutting table I could push pin into, and a large ironing space for rolling out fabric. After doing a lot of research and talking to friends who had built their own space, I felt like the ultimate solution for me was a modified gate-like table. I'll put a full list of materials in the description below, none of which are sponsors. We first had to put together the table from IKEA. After finally wrangling the table together, we moved on to the Homasote. The large board was cut to the proper dimensions of the table using a circular saw and sanded down. Once the board was ready, we removed the drawers from the table and flipped it over. We slid the Homasote underneath, marked where the screws would go in each corner of each section, drilled pilot holes, and put in the screws. The screws should be done from the bottom and not long enough to go all the way through to the top of the table. Flipping the table back over, we then gift wrapped each section with a brown craft paper and stapled it in place. And there you go, a small workspace that does it all, from sewing, cutting, and ironing. I hope you find this useful, and please let me know if you have any questions or cool things you've done with your workspace in the comments below. You can also reach me at my socials at Tilli Cosplay. See you next time.